Alright, so in this video we're basically gonna go in and add in the diffForHumans date. So basically what that would do is, instead of printing the date time we usually would get, which would be something like 2019, maybe not in this particular order, but something like this, and then it would be something like 11 hour and then 10 minutes and 56 seconds or something like that. This is not very readable, even if we reorganize the order. So what you see on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so on is something called a more readable date for a human being, which is, for example, it was created 2 years ago, 2 months ago, 2 days ago, and that's what we're gonna do. So this is actually pretty simple to do. Laravel already comes pre-built with what we need here. So we just need to make a protected dates, which is going to be equals to an array of created at and updated at. Now this will allow us to use diffForHumans function. So now what we want to go in here and do in our function is we want to go in and say public function dates, which is basically just opportunity to only get the dates in real time. So that means we want to be able to update this now and then, maybe, instead of having to update the entire user variable where it's most likely only the time that's been changed. We will go in here and actually look at how to do that. So what we are going to do is we're going to return a JSON response we don't need that actually. Excuse me. And then we go in here and we basically go in and say created at. It's gonna be equal to auth user created at diffForHumans. And now we want to copy and paste this and basically go in and change this for updated at. Now eventually this will give an error, and we're gonna look at that in a bit. What we need to do is just import a authentication facade. So let's go in here and basically create a get function, and let's just separate this with a new line, and then let's call this me/dates, and then we want to go inside the social controller, and then we want to go in and grab from the user controller, and then we want to go in and grab dates. So yeah, what we are doing now is we're basically grabbing this function here, and then we are gonna go in and basically implement our facade, and then in the next video we're gonna be able to grab the user data from here, and then we are gonna test the dates and the user data function. Alright, great, so let's implement our facade here, which then will allow us to use this function here that will then grab the authenticated users details, which in this case we only want to know the created at and the update that. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.